Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to explain the game I made using JavaScript. So firstly we have our background image, X image and O image. These are the links of these. Then we create a board. We have let isHuman is true, and I will explain it later. So firstly we create our board, and then we create a function called maxMove, and it has an input X, and it has and we use two for loops there. So first for loop we call it with I, and then second one with J, and it basically just checks all these empty spaces in our boards, and we use the X length, the same X length in these two for loops, because the length of this array is equal to length of this array, so we don't have to change anything there. And if the y and g locations of X is empty, it should return us the location. Then we have a makeMove function which takes inputs as board, coordinate, and condition is X. Firstly we have a condition that coordinates of 0 is 0, or it's 1, or it's 2, and the same one for 1. Then if it's 2 we should run this code, and in this code we have another condition which is X, which means that if it's X turn or not, and if it is X turn it should print X in our given location, and if it's not it should print O. Then we have a function findWinner, which takes input as a board, which literally checks all 4 conditions for winning the TicTacToe game, and if these conditions satisfy, then it returns the winner with board I and I, or I and 0, or it can be 0 and I, or 1 1 and 1 1. And it returns our winning locations, which are the locations of our X's. Then after that we have draw lines, draw X and draw O, which draw X and draw O take inputs X and Y, which are the locations where it should be drawn, and they take images X and Y and widths. And after that we create a function called moves, and moves, so we have there is if isHuman, which is a boolean, and we first let that isHuman is true. So if isHuman is not true, we should run this code, and in this code we give our next move board a variable called next, and we call our make move with board and the next, and if it's equal to 0 it should run this code, which just prints O in our given X and given Y. After that we change isHuman to not isHuman, so we literally invert it, so it's our turn, then it's PC's turn, then we call moves again. After that we add event listeners, which are the event listeners, so if we click somewhere it should print our X. Then we have a findWinner board, which finds if we won the game or not, and if we run findWinner, then we have that our isWin is true, and if isWin is true, so it literally if our isWin is true it should clear all the canvas and clear all the board, and change if isWin to false, then it should change isHuman to human, so it will invert the isHuman boolean again and call moves again. So basically this was my game code, and thank you for watching.